Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Results are not typical. Income varies based on strategy, execution, and market conditions. Some links may be affiliate links. You got monetized. You hit 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours. YouTube said, "Congratulations," and for a moment, it felt like you made it. But then, you checked your earnings. And reality hit. Because monetization does not mean income. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why most monetized channels stay broke. The monetization lie. YouTube monetization is not a business model. It's a feature. AdSense was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you creating. Think about it. YouTube only pays you a fraction of what advertisers spend. And that amount depends on your niche, your audience location, your watch time, your ad engagement. So two creators with the same views can earn completely different amounts. The numbers no one tells you. Let's break it down. A typical channel might earn $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. So even with 100,000 views, you're looking at maybe $200 to $500. Now ask yourself, is that sustainable? Is that predictable? Is that scalable? For most creators, the answer is no. Why monetized channels still struggle? Here's the real problem. Monetization gives you validation, but not leverage. So creators relax. They think, I'm in, now I just need more views. And that's where they get stuck. Because they build content around trends, entertainment, virality, instead of value, intent, monetization strategy. So the channel grows, but the income doesn't. If this is opening your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and comment, System Overviews. Because once you understand this, you stop playing the wrong game. What actually creates income? Real income comes from structure, not monetization. Here's what works. 1. High-intent content. Content that solves problems. People searching for solutions are more likely to spend money. 2. Offers. Courses. Coaching. Services. If you don't have an offer, you're depending on YouTube to decide your income. That's a weak position. 3. Affiliate systems. Recommend tools your audience already needs. Simple. Scalable. Profitable. 4. Audience positioning. Who you attract determines how much you earn. Beginners consume. Buyers invest. The shift. The shift is simple. Stop thinking like a creator. Start thinking like a business. YouTube is not your income source. It's your traffic source. Once you understand that, everything changes. Monetization is just the beginning. Income is a different game. If you want to escape the money trap, start building systems, not just videos. Subscribe to Money Traps. Like, share, and drop a comment. Are you building for views or income? I'll see you in the next one.